Hello and welcome, Casper here, and in this video I would like to show you how I made my first sale on ClickBank by implementing this exact blueprint into my marketing strategy. And as you can see right here, this is the exact simplest blueprint that actually made my first sale. Okay, so first and foremost, you need to have a traffic source, be it a free traffic source or a paid traffic source, to be directed into a landing page where you offer something for free in return for their name and email. So once they have opted in for that particular free product, you'll need an autoresponder to collect the database. So once they have actually clicked on the free product, which is they want to download it, they will be directed into the next page, which is the thank you page with a call to action button. So to simplify what the thank you page is all about, it is actually just a page to thank them for opting in or subscribing into your newsletter. And also you can actually put a short video introducing yourself and promote a bit of the product that you're promoting, and ask them to click on the button below to actually have a look at the product. So once they clicked on the call to action button, they will be directed into the ClickBank offer. So what if they don't convert on the ClickBank offer page? So no worries, since they have opted in on this landing page, the database itself would actually send what the free offer was. So be it it's a free book or a free video or somewhere along those lines, it will actually send out an autoresponder for them to download. Okay. So once they have downloaded it, the next day would be an email sequence. Okay, this varies on how you want to do it, and this is how I do it, where I have 5 email sequences where I have my first email to be an introduction of me, talking a bit about myself, why am I promoting the ClickBank offer and how did that ClickBank offer help me. And in this first intro email, I would not promote a product. I'll just tell them my story and I'll just end it there. And the next day would be my first value series, where I've actually drafted an email to actually give them a bit of value. Let's just say if you're promoting a product in the weight loss niche, and let's just say it's a ClickBank product called the 3-week offer, 3-week diet offer. Okay, I might be giving a value-based email that relates to the ClickBank offer. Okay, and I'll do it for 3 days, which is the next email, which is the next day, would be the value email, and the third day would be another value email, and the fifth day would be my pitch, where I would actually ask them to have a look at the ClickBank offer. So this is the simplest way that I've used to actually generate my first sale on ClickBank. And I'll show you my results in a bit, but I need to have a disclaimer here where I have not made a lot of money on ClickBank, but I would like to show you guys that this method really works. Okay, so this is my ClickBank page. This is my paycheck page. I'll refresh this again. Okay. As you can see over here, I've made $143.94, and this is actually being paid last month, and it's sending the check over. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is that this method works. Okay, if you'd like to find out more about this method, there's a link below. Click on it and you can actually watch the video and see it for yourself. Thank you so much for coming over to my video. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.